Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, September 27th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got independent practice 3.3, pages 63 and 64, numbers 22 through 24. Make sure you are showing all work on a separate sheet of paper. No excuses, no yellow slips tomorrow. We will have our Module 3 quiz on Monday. We also, honors will be creating a puzzle for tomorrow. Also, if you're in math, you should probably be checking Google Classroom. In science, you need to bring earbuds to class tomorrow, and there will be a measurement test on Tuesday. In social studies, we've got our key homework form that is online through Classroom. You also need to finish your room map if needed, making sure that you're labeling the areas and you're including your compass and your key. In language arts, our writer's notebook chapter is Scrapes the Heart, and tomorrow we'll have Free Write Friday. You can bring your earbuds. That is optional. In literature, we've got our Chapter 8 work that needs to be completed. You had to write a paragraph off of a subject that you selected from an item or a list of items. You also need to study your vocab words from Seed Folks, as we're going to have a test on the 5th of October, which is next Friday. That's it for today. Stay warm on this chilly afternoon and evening.